Google AI Studio Video Generator Unlimited. So I've been able to generate this video. Let me come and then click on the play for you to see, and that is the video that I was able to generate. You can come and then click on the download button to download it. So let me show you how to do it. I'm already having the AI Studio app installed, so let me open it, and that is it. Okay, but if you don't have it installed already, it is simple. What you have to do is simply locate the Chrome icon on your phone and then tap on it to open. Then come here to the search and then come and then search for Google Studio AI. Okay, and then it's going to come, simply come and then select the Google AI Studio. It's going to bring you right here. Okay, so where we have the three bars, come and then tap on it, and then from here you are going to see we have the generate media. Come and then tap on it to open. So over here you have the option to use all this, but we are going to use the view. Okay, this one, and then come and then tap on it. So when you tap on it, it's going to be open just like this one, and then over here you can simply come and then describe the video that you want to generate. And then for this we are going to put in a prompt whereby you are going to use ChatGPT to do it. Okay, so from your phone, just open ChatGPT and then simply come here, then come and ask ChatGPT to give you the prompt. Okay, so for this one, I'm going to say, give me a prompt to generate a video of a cat playing in the snow, and I'm going to use Google AI Studio to do it, and then come and click on the submit or send. So when you send it, you will see that the prompt will be given to you just like this one. Just come and then highlight the whole prompt just like this one. Okay, and then come and tap on copy. Okay, so when you tap on copy, it is going to be copied, and then after that simply come here to the AI and then come and then paste it right here by tapping on the paste. Going to be pasted just like this one, and then simply come in and come and then tap on the send. Okay, so let's tap on it. So when you tap on it, you will see that from here it is going to download, and then it's going to generate the video for you. Okay, so as you can see, it is generating the video, and then it has successfully generated it. Okay, so let me click on play, and then as you can see, that is it. That is the video that we asked, and then it has generated it for us. But as you can see, it is 16 by 9. Okay, so let's say you want it 9 by 16. Simply come here and then come and then tap on this symbol. Okay, and then you have the option to come and then select the aspect ratio. So simply come and then tap on 9 by 16. That is the full mode, and then the duration is going to be 8 seconds. And then simply come here and then come and tap on the close. Okay, and after that simply come and then send it again. So when you tap on it, it is going to generate the video in that aspect ratio for you. So that is it. This is how to use it, and then you can always switch different accounts. Okay, different email accounts to have it unlimited. So like the video, and then see you in my next video.